So today you are going to not see screen video. Yesterday, sorry, tomorrow's I will publish this video. So I'm going to share something of all of you, those who are going to see this, see my channel in later or whatever. You to push you this video. So I'm saying that I will correct video about crypto, airdrop, testnet. So basically I will share my joining process in Testnet Airdrop. I will go live and not talk anything, just I will show my screen. It will be happened certain time in day, but couple of video you will see as well, those are slightly you know shareable in curating content way. I will share those in video, and you will see live also for joining purpose. Okay, this way I will do. Therefore I'm covering this stuff. Okay, so maybe it will be worthwhile to doing this stuff. Let me see how many days I can stick with it. I'm hoping I can do it forever, until getting traction from it. Okay, sorry, until die. Okay, I can do it. So I'm very impressed with it for doing. So maybe I'm hoping you will stay with this channel for your purpose, making money, learning as well. And see you later.